So here in Akrapovic today, I'm going to immigration. I need to clock in, checking. I need to pay 300 pesos. So every year, all expat. If you have a tourist visa, I think you need to do it. I think so. If you're here for more than 6 months, something like that. Me, I need to do it as I go, as I have a permanent visa. Every year you just come in and then you just pay 300 or 350 pesos. It's a bit dodgy when you come here in Akrapovic to park. People around, you know, just not the best area, let's say it like that. Especially at night, it's not good at night. So I usually park on the right. There's someone there who, yeah, they call this the annual report. Where he, can I park here now? You just pay the guy, that's it. You wanna get off first? Thank you, Kuya. Salamat. Okay, nice and easy. Maybe not even 10 minutes. So 310 pesos. This is the place you actually, you need to watch out when you come here. They try to sell you iPhone, so it's always the last iPhone. Just don't buy it. Don't buy it, you know. And whether it's a fake one, whether it's a stolen one, they wouldn't try to sell it in the street anyway if it was legit. So just watch out for that. Where the fuck are you going, you? Okay. On the way back, apparently we're going to Star City or something like that. What is that? Don't even know. Actually, if you go on the white over there, if you turn right, you go to Tondo. I was there last week actually. Going to the church in Tondo. There's an R15 somewhere, I want to see it, it looks nice. But it went behind the truck. Where is it? It's gonna come out or not? He went way behind the truck in the wrong place. Where is it? 2017 one. Very nice. Nice one. You wanna get a Korean bibimbap? Nemoa, you know? Huh? Okay, let's check. Remember the parking space there? When the guy took my place? Huh? Maybe 50 pesos the first hours and then after. Should be flat rate anyway, no? Don't know. You don't want to walk, no? The other one is 50 pesos straight. You don't want to walk? Huh? Thank you. Pizza was okay. Pizza was good. Egg Benedict. Egg Benedict not good. Don't order this. I usually never order Egg Benedict because the problem is the Hollandaise, the sauce they put on it. You never know when it was made. They can make it in the morning and keep it and serve it to you in the afternoon, you know. Cannot really tell. This one I can tell that it's not fresh. It's not made with fresh eggs straight away. It's made like a powder you mix together. It's a fake one. They do have to cut the cost because it's cheaper. It was stone cold. Normally it's warm. This one was stone cold and no taste at all. It tastes like shit. No lemon, no vinegar, nothing. So yeah, I wouldn't order any Egg Benedict, but apart from that it was good. It's quite expensive though. We got for like 1138 pesos. So yeah, 1100 pesos for that. Not cheap, not cheap. So yeah, I wouldn't go back there though. It's not, I wouldn't recommend to go there, to be honest. Pizza was okay, yeah, but not like fucking amazing for the price or yeah. Anyway, that's my take on Baker and Cook in Moa. That's Maison actually, not Moa. I quite like his setup, Barocco. Quite nice. Huh? I know. My wife doesn't like nosy bike. I love it. Today we're going to Padre Pio with the L3. Better pray for us, or pray for the L3. Last na. Very good.
Inilalaan po namin ito para sa mga fans.
Saira.
Asan Ninong Loy? Yun, Ninong Loy.
Very good.
Asan si Ninang Rhea? Yun.
Bless na. Bless na. You want this?
Dito nga daw. Dito. Dito tayo para makita niyo.
Can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my